What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make a margherita pizza. It's actually a very simple pizza, and it's actually very classical. It's very few ingredients. So before I start, I put some semolina on my work surface. Then started patting down the dough before I start stretching it. You want to start patting it down to squish any air bubbles, because if you start stretching it at this stage, it's gonna rip and tear, and you do not want this. After you pat it down, you can stretch it, play with the dough, as like I'm doing right now. Make sure you put some semolina on your pizza peel before you stick the dough. If not, your dough's gonna stick to the pizza peel and you won't be able to slide it off into the oven. Now bringing it over to my pizza's topping station, I'm going to start with the base of tomato sauce. I'm going to do one ladleful and spread it evenly around the pizza. You don't want too much sauce because it's going to expand and then the pizza's going to get too heavy. Or too saucy, I should say. So nice and even. Careful not to coat the crust. Next ingredient, most important ingredient, it's some freshly grated mozzarella cheese. You want to be extra generous with this because it is pizza. So you want to make sure you get it all the way down into the crust. And then third ingredient is just some basil. That's it, guys. That's a simple margherita pizza. It's very delicious, very simple, classical ingredient. Now we're gonna season this with salt and pepper, some olive oil, and we'll stick it into a nice hot brick oven pizza. About 2 to 3 minutes.